Gadget Junkie here, bringing you guys a 2A gadget today. In this video, I'm featuring this CVLIFE gun cleaning kit that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. Let's do a quick unboxing and an overview of what's included in this kit so you can decide if this is right for you or not. If you're ready, stand by. All right, so everything is going to be packaged up in this hard shell carrying case. When you open it up, you're going to find your brushes, oil bottles, picks, and patches. And on this side over here, you're going to find your bore snakes. I'm going to get this all taken out and we're going to go over it piece by piece. All right, guys, so let's go over the contents here. You're going to start off with some starter patches. You got a 12 gauge bore snake here with brass bristles. You got your 9mm 357-38 bore snake here with brass bristles. And you got your 22 cal bore snake here with brass bristles. They give you some nylon picks for various cracks and crevices across various platforms. If you need to really get into some carbon, they've got a metal pick here for you. You got some nylon brushes, brass brush, some Q-tips. Also, they're going to give you a couple of oil bottles here with the fine tip applicator, maybe one for CLP, one for some gun oil of some sorts. Guys, this here is like the perfect little starter set for your 3-gun guys, right? So you got your shotgun, 9mm pistol, 22 cal carbine, everything's covered there if you need to get cleaned up and back in the action. So if you guys look for a nice gun cleaning kit for shotgun, pistol, carbine, I highly recommend this CVLIFE gun cleaning kit here. Hope this helps.